Hey guys, welcome to Expertiser Academy. Today we're going to see how to create an interactive button within Figma. And this video is sponsored by Armorada.com, so they gave me a cool watch. Check it out. Okay, so first thing what we would do is we'll create a simple button. To create a button, we'll go into shapes and we can take a rectangle and we can give it some text in here. Do a bit of styling. We don't want to focus on more into styling part of it. And so we'll go here, we'll have it little rounded corners to make it look like a button, and then we'll select the text. We'll change the text color, move to the middle. Yeah, that's fine. So now the text is created. So what we're going to do is we're going to create three states of this button. So one is going to be mouse over, that's a hover selection, and then the other one is like a click event. So how we can do about that? So yeah, once this is done, you're going to create it as a component. I'm going to do a separate tutorial series for Figma. For now, let's just quickly get this through. Create a component, and that's been created. You can always name your components and things like that so that you can find it easier. So now we're going to create something called add variant. So now what happens here is the component was created, but the text was not inside the component. So let's add the text and make sure that you add it before the rectangle, or else you will not see it. So the layers work by hierarchy. So now let's go here, add a variant. Now you can see the text. So now once the variant is added, you can also click this button to add an additional variant. So we have three buttons up here. So now let's change the button property. This is going to be default, and this is going to be hover, and this is going to be on click. Okay, and then let's change colors. Just change to a different color. Just have to click on the rectangle. Okay, same way I click on the other one, then make it, and also I can actually change the color for the text as well. It's a bit darker. Okay, so now that's done. So now all you have to do is you go to prototype, and so you just have to click on the first button, and then there is a plus sign that comes at the end of it. Just click on and drag to the next one, and then the trigger is going to be while hovering, and change to hover. And you can also add an effect like an animation like dissolve or different effects that you can add. Now that is good enough. So now go to the second button, again click on the plus sign and drag into the third button, and this is going to be while pressing. So just for this effect's sake, because on click is basically acts upon only after you click on it, while pressing is basically shows the effect bit quicker. While pressing, and then it's going to be change to, and then on click. So you can also have a lot of different effects as well, like open a link or a lot of different things you can do it. For now this is okay. Now this is all done. So now for you to see this what's happening in real life, so what you have to do is you have to drag this component in here. For that you go to assets and go to the one that is created on this page, and this for the page 2 components that shows you the button. Drag and drop here, and make sure that you drag and drop into a frame, so only then it shows up in the prototype. So now I'm just going to click on play. So it takes a time. and then mouse over, that's the mouse over effect, and then click, and then you can see that gives a different effect as well. So this is how you can do a bit of these automations and animations, effects and things like that. So yeah, so that's a little thing that might help you guys out. We'll catch up again in another video, guys, and if you like more Figma tutorials, just let me know. I'll add more, and probably I'll add a separate series as well. So yeah, we'll see you again. Thank you.